welcome to Delicious Locks. And today on my channel, I will be interviewing someone who has dreadlocks. Yes, he is on dreadlocks. And he's really enjoying his lock journey. That's why I brought him up today to tell you all about his lock journey so far. Yes, it's really amazing. Remember, this is Delicious Locks, and all we do is all about locks, lifestyle, and trends, all around black people. So today, we're going to be discussing with a wonderful person. So just sit back, relax, and I'll let you know my guests when we come back. And we've got Ryan in the building.
Hi everyone. Hi everyone.
Hi Ryan, how you doing?
I'm doing good, how are you?
I'm good too, I'm great. And I'm excited to have you today on Delicious Locks.
Thank you.
Cool stuff. So Ryan, you're gonna tell us about your lock journey today, right?
Yes, of course.
Great stuff. So Ryan is a student and he is a basketballer. He loves to play basketball. And during the course of today's episode, you're gonna know how his love for basketball got him to get locks. Interesting, right? Cool stuff. All right, so Ryan, show us your hair.
Okay.
Let's see. I can't wait to see his locks. Wow, it's so cute. This is awesome.
Thank
so
you.
How long have you had your locks?
So it's been about like 3 months right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So your 3 months counted to how long?
About like 5 to 10 years, honestly.
Whoa, wow.
Yeah, thank you.
Cool stuff.
Thank you.
So your lock journey is gonna be 5 to 10 years?
Essentially, yes. I hope so.
Beautiful.
I really hope so.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
So how has it been for you so far?
Well, it's been great, honestly. Like everywhere I go, I'm always getting compliments from my friends, family. Like I just like my locks. It just makes me feel so much better about myself, and it can boost my self-esteem, honestly.
Beautiful.
So, yeah.
That's nice.
Thank you.
Okay, so before the locks, what did you have on?
So basically, I have my natural hair. I always like braid my hair, like cornroll it, give myself twists or whatnot. But then I just thought I seen locks. I was like, let me just lock my hair. So I used to have natural hair, honestly. It's my big fro.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah, thank you.
So what inspired you to lock your hair?
So as I said before, I play basketball, and one of my favorite basketball players, he has locks. And I seen the different styles he did with his hair, and just made me like want to like, just basically inspired me to do the same thing with my hair. So I just got locks, and I liked them ever since, honestly. So yeah.
This is nice. This is so inspirational.
Yeah.
So you got inspired by your favorite basketballer.
Yes.
Cool stuff. So on your own, how do you normally take care of your locks?
So when I wake up in the morning, so I usually spray my hair with water, and then when I shower, I wash my hair, make sure everything's clean.
Good.
No dandruff, no nothing, and then I go on about my day.
Beautiful.
It's really easy to maintain, honestly.
It is. It's so cost effective. It's easy to maintain. Cool stuff.
Yeah.
You know, and then I would always tell you, if you watch the previous videos, you know that I always campaign for clarifying shampoos. So if you use clarifying shampoos on your locks, you have a great difference because it clarifies your locks. It always keeps it clean, fresh, and smooth. You would have this clarifying feminine. You feel so clarified. Yeah, so it's really nice. Good stuff. But you know, some guys are a little bit skeptical about what to do with their hairs.
Oh yes, most definitely.
Exactly. I'm sure you have friends like that.
Yes, of course. I have too many friends like that.
You see?
Yeah.
So they don't know what to do with their hairs.
At all.
Do they have natural hairs or perm hairs?
Both actually. Some of them have natural hair, some of them have permed hair. It's just all of the above, honestly.
Oh.
Yeah.
And then they don't know what to do with their hairs.
No, they don't know what to do.
So what's your advice for them?
Honestly, with my friends, so I told them if they see a hairstyle they like, they should just get into it. Like with me, I see my favorite basketball player, he had locks, I got into it, and then I did it to myself, and I just loved it ever since. So I just tell them, like if you see something, just try it. Try it on yourself. If you like it, just continue doing it, keep maintaining it, and make sure, like, you know, you're happy. That's it. So if you like it, just keep doing it.
Exactly. If you like it, just keep doing it. So that's nice. Beautiful advice there too. Really awesome. So your hair goal is to stay on locks for the next 5 to 10 years, right?
Yes.
And do you think it's something that other guys can do, other guys your age? Do you think it's something they can do?
Yes, of course. Like it's all about maintenance, and then just telling yourself that like you can do it, like, you know. So like, cause I see you have locks yourself. So like,
Yeah,
you
I do.
yeah. So like, it's just all about like just telling yourself you can do it, and it's just all about maintaining your hair.
Exactly, that's beautiful.
Yeah.
So what's your hair goal length? So, because you know some people, they have to wait till the locks grow a certain length. Some people would say, oh, I want the half length, I want like the waist length, or I want like the knee length. So what's your hair goal length?
Honestly, I want my locks to like touch my nose, and from like the back just go all the way down to my back. I don't want it too long to the point where like, you know, I can't see, but like I want it long to the point where like, you know, everyone will say my hair is long. So yeah, like my locks are long right now. I want it to be like way longer to the point where like, you know, it's just crazy.
Exactly. The longer, the more beautiful.
Facts.
And then when it gets long, you can just have a beautiful trim.
Yeah.
And when you perfectly trim your locks, it looks
More beautiful.
It does. Great stuff. So do you normally tint your hair, like have it different colors?
So yeah, that's what I was actually trying to do. Actually, I'm trying to dye my hair. Like, is this a certain number of dreads that I have, like different colors to like give it like a more like unique look. So like yeah, that's what I really want to do and get into, honestly. So,
Good. I know you can't wait to tint your hair.
Yeah.
Me too. When I first got my locks, for the first 6 months, I was like, I think I wanted to change the colors. I felt like I should do something about the colors because I love colorful stuff. So I was thinking of what to do to have different colors of locks. But you know the thing, I know you really want to, just like I really wanted to, just like you watching me, I really want to. But you know, the truth is, you shouldn't tint your locks for the first 1 year. Yeah, it's good to just let your locks sit.
Yeah.
Have them all clean, fresh, and lovely. Forget about the dyes. We don't need to tint our locks now. It's a gradual process. It takes patience. So you have to let your locks lock properly. Because the locking process depends on your hair texture, it depends on the interlocking process. So you have to first of all let your locks sit for the first 6 months to properly lock. And after 6 months, then you have to give it another 6 months for you to rock the locks as they have locked and still let them get used to being locked. Because your hair gets used to being locked, you know.
Yeah.
It's just like a little kid who's trying to learn how to walk.
Yeah, facts.
Exactly. So you don't tell a little kid who's trying to learn how to walk to start running so fast, like the first day or the second day. You just take time, have patience with the child, and then the child gets his first step, second step, and then maybe like later on the child begins to run, and before you know what's happening, oh my goodness, this child is a racer. So yeah, it's just like your locks. You have to be patient. So I feel like you should just give it a little more time. So you're 3 months gone. So you should count another 9 months. And once you clock 9 months, ooh la la, Mona Lisa's locks will be so ready to tint this hair. I'm telling you.
Thank you so much.
But then just allow the hair to lock. So here's the thing. Sometimes when you color your hair, it could distort the locking process.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yes, and some people use the wrong dyes sometimes. So some dyes contain oil, and locks don't need oils. You don't need to use oils on your hair. So if you get to use oily dyes, it affects the locking process. So there's so many disadvantages of using dyes on your locks for the first 1 year. Nevertheless, I guess we're going to discuss that in our next video or next 2 videos. I would just say, just keep watching Monalicious Locks and you get to learn a lot about your locks. Yeah, you will. So yeah, thank you so much, Brian.
Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you for coming around. I'm so happy to have you around.
Thank you.
And I hope to see you soon.
I hope to see you too.
Great. So as you count your lock journey, I hope when you have like your 6 months lock anniversary, you're gonna come on the show and you're gonna show us your locks, and then we can have a measurement. So we can say, oh, his locks were a certain length the other time and now it's longer, and then we can help you like
Of course.
measure it up.
Thank you so much.
It was so great having you here with me today on the Alicia's Locks channel. And yeah, who knows? We're gonna have somebody else next to. We're gonna see. Fingers crossed. Who's it gonna be? Thank you, Ryan.
Thank you so much.
Alrighty. So thank you all for staying tuned on the Alicia's Locks channel. So I'm gonna keep bringing wonderful interviews for you. I'm gonna keep teaching you wonderful ways that you can take good care of your locks, how you can style your locks in your natural hair, how you can do wonderful things to your natural hair. By the way, I love your braids.
Oh, thank you so much.
Great. Yeah, so I'll be teaching you so many things that you need to learn about your locks, and I hope you learned a lot today because we have Ryan.
All right, thank you guys.
Great stuff. So till we meet in the next video, remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel because Monalicious Locks is where you're gonna get everything you want to get concerning natural hair and locks. So till we meet next time, stay safe, keep being beautiful. I am Mona. Bye.